Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Do remember to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the videos which I'm going to upload in future, because every video I make is with the intention to help our children and help ourselves as well in this journey. So, the first thing which I want to mention is that this will be a series of tricks and tips from my end to help our children in building up their mental health and giving them a beautiful life. So, the first tip is that we give at least one responsibility on frequent basis, or if possible daily. So what is that? I'll give you an example to understand. Like, you the doorbell is ringing and you immediately get up and go and open the door. Now your child is there, you ask your child for help, you ask your child to open the door for you. So here you are trusting that your child can open, can answer the person who is outside the door. So that with that belief you do it. Another example is that you are holding a plate in your hand and you need some stool to keep that plate down. So now you are again asking your child to help, please help me with a stool, bring it from the front room or bedroom. So whatever, like if you know that area, then tell them. If you feel that they are very capable to search around the house and bring it to you, then let them do that themselves, and you will wait until they bring it, because here is where we lose that patience and we start trying to help our children. So be patient, hold yourself not from not helping them, and when they find that thing and they bring it to you, you do ask them, do you feel proud of yourself that you were able to bring it? So this is for the starting level. If you are going to do it for the first time, if you have been always doing it, then start giving a little more responsibility to your child, wherein you are asking a little more than what they are capable of, so that they feel proud of themselves. And this will really help in building up their confidence and give them a very good mental health for their lifetime. So I hope this tip helps you. Please do comment in case you have any suggestions for me, and also in case you have applied this tip in your life and you see these minor, major, any change in your child, do mention, because this intention is to help our children to feel great. So all the best. Do comment and share and also subscribe, so that you keep on getting those kind of small tips whenever I'm uploading it. Thank you so much for listening, and all the best. Lots of love.